Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to hide your online status on TikTok. So let's get started. So if you want to hide your online status on TikTok, now to hide that, what you have to do is just simply follow some easy steps. First, open up your TikTok application, and after opening up your TikTok application, just simply tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right, and after tapping on your profile icon, just tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right, and after tapping on the three dotted icon, just tap on settings and privacy, and inside your settings and privacy you will find privacy option. Just tap on it, and from here you will find activity status. So now what you have to do is just simply turn it off. So if your activity status is turned on, it will show your online status on TikTok. But if your activity status is turned off, then it will not show your online status on TikTok. So just simply make sure that it's turned off, and then you will hide your activity status on TikTok. So that's it guys, this is how to hide activity status on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.